So Socrates was the person who, wandered around in the Athens, and there he used to ask, किसी को भी पकड़ लेते थे, उससे questions पूछने लगते थे, तुम्हारे हिसाब से कौन कौन humans हैं? वो कहते थे नहीं हम सभी human हैं, तुम भी human हो? हाँ. Are you the human? Yes. What are the characteristics of human? Now in his asking, he used to make other people's uncomfortable to the level that when they found their own inconsistencies in their words, they used to reach the truth. And that was his method. This is a Socratic method or dialectic method. This is his method. Example, how can you use it in your life? Today, go to your Dadima or Nanima and tell them, Dadima, you have always said that everything happens because of the will of God. Everything. This means if I am not studying, whose will is it? God. So whose responsibility is it? God. So when should I be punished for anything which I am not responsible for? What is this? Inconsistencies in our thoughts and actions? But Socrates used to do this. And what will your grandma do? है ना? Tapli? है ना? Similar thing happened with Socrates. People of the administration and the people of the state at that time thought, ये बिगाड़ देगा, है ना? He'll make youth go berserk. So, let us kill him. हाँ. So he was given a pot of poisoned wine to drink, and he drank it, and he died. Of course, that story we will do again when we will do Plato. But he died for his ethics. He had the chance to run away, but he did not run away because he wanted to remain still on his ethical grounds or principles.